What a goodly thing. Welcome back to the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the peace round in D minor on the ukulele using two very easy chords, D minor and A. So before we do the song, let's review the chords. We're going to use the A minor chord, which is our one finger chord, second finger, top string, second fret. We're also going to use D minor, the root, and that is first finger, second string, first fret, second finger, fourth string, second fret, third finger, third string, second fret. And we're going to be alternating back and forth between D minor and A minor, and all we need to do is lift our first and third fingers. So you're going to keep your second finger down like this. So we're going to play D minor and then A minor. D minor, A minor. Just one strum each, simple down strum with the thumb. That's all we need to do. And you can follow along with me. The music's right here. This is from, of course, the Ukulele Club multimedia resource at Teachers Pay Teachers. You can grab that anytime. So I'm going to go through the song once and then I'm going to layer it in with the help of a looper so you can hear all the parts together. And you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Every 2 bars there's an entry point. You can do it as a round if you like. But here's how the song goes. What a goodly thing if the children of the world could live together in peace. And there are other songs that fit this melody. This is one of them. Now, wish me luck. I'm going to layer all these parts in together to give you an idea of the harmony. Of course, it's more interesting when you have different voices, but I'll do my best. Here we go. What a goodly thing if the children of the world, if the children together, if the children together, if the children together, if the children together, if the children together. Okay, what do you think? I know that's a lot. It's a beautiful song. It's a song that I think any, beginning into novice, into intermediate ukulele player, choir could do fairly easily. It uses, again, D minor, which is just kind of like F with one extra finger, and A minor, of course, are one of our favorite one-finger chords. This is a modal song. It's in Dorian mode, which is, again, it's something a little bit different, interesting, maybe a little exotic for some of you who haven't done modal music. I just love this song. Try it out, the peace round in D minor. I'm Kalani Das. Thanks for tuning into the Ukulele Club channel. Be sure to check out the Ukulele Club multimedia resource at Teachers Pay Teachers. And like, subscribe, support the channel any way you wish. If you have questions for me, you can contact me through our Patreon site, patreon.com/Kalani. You can all get full access to full courses over there, ukulele, native flute, drumming, etc. Support the channel in that way. Enjoy. I'll see you soon.